for it.
Oh, both?
Delicious food.
Food. Feel the buzz. Toppings. They don't like Paul.
I have the smartest bird of all.
Your bird's dumb, Paul.
Yeah, come on. Oh, come on.
So
no other bird wants my crumb. Aha! 2 birds on my perch. Oh no.
Nobody's gonna fall.
Perhaps a third. Oh, 1 bird. Who will be the second? Observe my bird.
Observe my bird.
Very happy bird.
Ah, but it's a bit too high.
Go down, go down.
I want him to come up. Yeah. I will name you Henry.
I think they're afraid of your jacket.
Yeah, it looks abnormal.
See, to me, they think I'm a statue.
Yeah. Oh my god, they're fluffy.
Henry and I will stand now.
Wow, Taz.
Mark is calling me on my phone, but I have a bird. I wonder what Mark will say when I say, oh, I couldn't pick up, I had a bird in my hand. I have a bird, man.
St. Francis!
I have many birds.
That's the ugly bird.
I can't breathe. That white one's circling.
Come to me, my birds.
They're fighting each other.
All is going according to plan. And now, farewell.
That almost hit me.
Oh my god.
There wet bird feet all over my jacket.
Yeah, now he's calling me.